Today it's Friday, February 27, 2026. Here we go again with the G500. Before I continue, we're gonna start their compressor. Yeah, obviously. No worries. I'm gonna pause, I'm gonna wait for it. Alright, yeah, we are waiting for me, Mr. Derek, that's why. Okay, Mr. Joe, loose all the bolts to be able to take it out, alright? And see the charge pipe. Why I'm saying that need to be washed, the intercoolers. Oh boy. Remove also the charge pipe from here to wash also the charge pipe, alright? And you know what? Take the engine, go at the washing area, block to don't go anything inside and blow with air, because you see as soon as you remove the intercoolers, it's more disaster here, obviously. Take it over there, blow with air, don't blow it here because it's gonna be a cloud in the garage. Far there inside, there, out. And then we're gonna take out the oil separators to see how this looks like. I want to see the check valve, this check valve here, and the other two that has on the block. Then, wait. Come. The condenser need to go for washing, alright? The radiator, we're gonna replace the radiator, okay? The heat exchanger need to go for washing. You see all this dirt what has here. Okay, yeah, you block it. It's good that you block it, don't come sand inside. All these things. The radiator fan, no, minimum movement, not something crazy. Alright, fine. You block also these two, nice. Alright, now, what's the thing? I might forget something, but we are 5 people in total that they know what needs to be done. One, it's Mr. Nick from the office, Mr. Philip, Mr. Omar, then Mr. Joe here, alright, and me. Plus, we have a paper that's written down the jobs that needs to be done on this car. So don't worry. If I forget something to mention in the video, this doesn't mean that we're not gonna do it, alright? There are more people. We need to have at least 3 people to know what needs each car here inside, all right? In this car, in the specific car, we are 5 people, all right? So, we need to change also the radiator because it had a minor leak, all right? You wash it?
Yes, sir.
All right, okay, fine. Now, where was I? We get the engine, we're going back over there on the washing area, all right? You block the intake. Yeah, you know, because as soon as, you know what else I want to see? This one. Alright, it's dry. That's a good one. This, if it failed the seal of the water pump inside, it's going to start crying oil from here. Alright. Okay, pulleys. It's missing one tensioner from here. Belts, looks okay. Belts are there, check the belts. Okay. It's over there. Yeah, be careful, don't make any scratch. Especially on the coolers, don't have any dent. Alright, fine. Let's move on. Here it's been covered because we have the rear seal that's new and it's clean here, this area, and that's why you block it here, right?
Yes,
okay, makes sense. If something is clean, leave it to stay clean. Alright, let's move on. Alright, looks a little bit more decent than before, right? This doesn't come out. Alright, just that's what came out from here front. We blow also from here, back over here, and from this side. Okay, so let's go back and open the oil separators, alright? Alright, so this is free, and the coupler here is free. So, we can take it out. Alright. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, you see I'm holding with one hand the phone. Okay, alright. So both of these check valves are on. And this, I have to check, take a look how much oil it has inside. Yay! Alright, give it down. This, which date is that? This is 2016. Can you go away from the light? Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, April 2016, yeah. And 0780119. Let's see the other one. Go, bring me the other one because my hands are not clean. Your hands are clean? Yeah, alright, no. Yeah, this one, don't touch it. I'm gonna touch from here. I just want to put on the video the part number. This is, no worries. This is, like I said, this is 0780119 and this is 2400. There. 0782400. Alright, it's a different part number. Yeah, that's the thing. Let's put it back inside. And the other one, the same thing also for the other one. Forget what's written here outside. I'm talking about this 2300. Right. Fine. So this we install it back. This is the old one, and this one it's ready to come out, right? Fine. You can take out this pipe from here, and we have to remove the charge pipes. Yeah, but remove also the charge pipes, please. All right. And this is the (0219). 0219. For my curiosity, I want to check also the check valve there. I have already checked this check valve before, and this one and the other one, and they're okay. Be careful, don't fall anything inside the engine, guys. Be careful, don't fall anything inside the engine. Wait. Let me wipe it like what we did on the other one and put a new one. Okay, new oil separators, old oil separators. Now the guys, what they're gonna do, they're gonna remove the pipes, they're gonna clean the pipes, and then this, we need also the clips, because if I remember right, this clip here and this one, it's missing from here. Yeah, you see, they're not giving it together. We need also the clips from that, and then at the end, the oil separators, the old ones, they're gonna end up in the original boxes back to the customer. Alright, Mr. Joe, he's removing also the charge pipes to go for washing. Alright, under control, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then let's go to see the intercoolers. I said before, it's gonna be full of sand. And take a look how it looks like inside. Oh boy. Oh boy, let's see the throttle. Yeah, such a lovely thing. From this side you see the intercooler, how shiny it is. That's how it's supposed to be. You have natural filter and then the diverted valves also can be full of sand, detergent, and washing all these things. Wow. There's no other chance. You know what's satisfying? I'm gonna show you what's satisfying, what's nice. If I get this heat exchanger and go to wash it, you're gonna see what will gonna come out. I'm gonna do that. With one way or the other, we have to do it, all right? So somebody has to do it. And when I'm cleaning things and there is a big difference before and after, I like it. I love it. Hey, let's go do that. Here we go. Underneath it's clean. It's not like there, okay? I cannot go close because I'm gonna destroy the cooler. So let's see what's gonna come out. I'm gonna use detergent. Obviously I'm gonna use detergent, but first some water. Whenever you have out the coolers, it's advisable to wash the coolers, because you're gonna have some dirt. You're not gonna have a good heat transfer. the first time that I'm rinsing it, I'm put some water on it, it's against the flow. That means it's flowing. This is the rear side, this is the front side. This is what's pointing front, I guess. Alright, let's do the same thing from this side and then bring the detergent and let's see it at the end how it's gonna be. Yeah, it has some dirt on it. Plot twist. I was not expecting that. You see all this sand what came out. I said, okay, it's normal. You know, it's supposed to be 2017, 18 model year. Alright. You see the heat exchanger? What's this? See the date. June 2025. So this, it cannot be more than, how much? 4 or 5 months old, all in all. Right? And take a look what came out. Alright. Yeah, like I said before, whenever you have a chance and the coolers are out, wash them. Doesn't matter, even if it's 6 months old. It's not bad. It looks a little bit better than before. It's still wet. Alright, not bad. Not bad. Leave it to dry and then continue with the rest. You're okay?
Yes, sir.
You're struggling to take out the charge wire. I'll show you. You can take it from here. Bring one flat screwdriver. Yes. We're gonna make a little bit like this from inside, it's gonna come out. No worries. And let's see. I wanna see the condenser. Is it? It changed it? Ah no, this one 2016. Alright, let's get this one. This should be much more dirt than the other heat exchanger. For the turbochargers, what I want from you.
Yes, sir.
You're not gonna spray direct there inside to shove all the dirt inside. A clean rag, you spray brake cleaner on the clean rag, and then you wipe it as much as you can. Alright? Here, 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 and here. You never spray, alright, inside. At the end, when you finish, when you wipe it from here, and from the charge pipe, you blow with air only from this side.
Okay.
Only from this side. You don't blow with air with this side. You blow a little bit, you see that it's not coming anything out, that's it. Alright, we're not gonna remove the turbos just for washing them. We're gonna clean as much as we can. And the charge pipes, you took them, yeah, wash them very well. Alright, let me get also the condenser, why not? Let's see, yeah. It's not that bad, but has some dirt on it. You think that I finished, eh? Oh boy, no, I haven't finished. Let me spray a little bit to the phone. And then I have to leave it for 3 to 5 minutes, and then I have to rinse it again. Okay, so you get the picture, right? We are washing. The 80% of any maintenance, build or whatever, it's mostly washing, preparing the parts. If everything was nice and clean, we're not gonna have to spend that much time. This is where we spend more time, on preparing the parts. And we're not even charging extra for that. It's included in the price. Hey! Yeah. Alright, let's do it also on this side. You get the picture, right? Okay. Finish with the condenser. Alright. I need to dry. I'm gonna need to dry with the heat exchanger. Now, I'm gonna stop the video because what it takes cleaning intercoolers, throttles, the coolers, get such pipe, turbos, what I mentioned. When we start putting it together, I'm gonna make another video, and I want to make one test on the check valves. Alright, alright. Yeah, that's it for now. See you on the next part. Not today, most probably tomorrow or on Monday. Thank you. Yeah, don't forget. Link at the description. You're gonna make me chasing you in all the garage. Mr. Doku, give it to me a second to put also this on the video. I haven't uploaded the video yet.
Okay.
You did a good job, sir. You did a good job. Nice. Let me show you the other one. Alright, we continue cleaning parts, eh?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.